Hey, April here. For the waffles, you'll need 1 cup of non-dairy milk mixed with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and you're going to let that set for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, you'll add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, I always use aluminum-free, a half a teaspoon of salt, and give that a good whisk. To this, you're going to add your milk, and you're also going to add additional half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 flax eggs. Three tablespoons of melted vegan butter. Mix it until well combined. Make sure you don't overmix the batter. Preheat your waffle iron before you add the batter. I love the size of the Dash waffle irons because they make perfect sizes and cute shapes for lunches. It takes about 3 minutes for each waffle to cook. So it takes a bit of time to make these, but it's worth it. If you have the time, you could double the recipe, and then you can freeze the extras. And you can just heat them in the toaster like you would for a frozen waffle. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. My kids love these waffles. There's hardly any leftovers. They're great for breakfast, but they also make a great addition to a lunchbox.